In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows. First, open your browser and head to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click Download. Choose the Windows installer that matches your system. The site will usually suggest the right one automatically. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the prompts. The default options are fine for most users. When the setup completes, close the installer. Next, go to the Claude website and navigate to the Claude Code page. Open the advanced installation instructions. Now scroll down until you see the standard installation section. There you'll find a command you can copy. Go ahead and copy that command. We'll use it in a moment to install the tool. Open the Windows search bar and type command prompt, then open it. In the command prompt window, type node osv and press enter. If Node.js installed successfully, you'll see a version number. That confirms everything is set up correctly. Now paste the command you copied from the standard installation section into the command prompt and press enter. This will install Claude Code globally so you can run it from anywhere on your system. Let the installation finish before moving on. After that, open File Explorer, create a new folder by right-clicking, selecting New Folder, and then rename it to something meaningful for your project. Open that folder, click into the address bar at the top of File Explorer, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt window already pointed at your new folder, which keeps your work organized. In this command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If it's your first time running it, you may be asked to choose yes and continue, so the tool can set up its initial configuration. Follow the on-screen prompts. When prompted, type /login and press enter. This will start the sign-in process, typically by opening your browser. Follow the instructions to complete the login securely. Depending on the plan requirements, you may need an active subscription to use Claude Code beyond initial setup. If you're prompted to purchase a subscription, complete that process to unlock the full experience. That's it. You downloaded and installed Node.js, verified it, installed Claude Code using the standard command, created a dedicated project folder,